bit of interruptions. So, anyways, as I mentioned, it's my pleasure and also that have our team to present you about the newest development of Altai. And I am here. I have seen some familiar names and some that I may have met before, but I'm sure I can assure you that one day I will able to meet you in person. So, with further ado, I will pass the ground back to my colleagues, my teammate, Michael.
Yes, thank you, Ken. Just a few quick housekeeping notes before we begin. Please stay muted during the presentation. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the chat box. We will answer those questions in the Q&A section at the end. And this webinar is being recorded, and we will be happy to share the recording upon the request. And if you have any technical issue, just let us know. We will try our best to assist you. Oh, at the beginning, I'm so sure that some of you already know who Altai is, but just in case somebody are not, so let us rewind a bit. Altai is started back in 2006, right in Hong Kong, as a spin-off from Applied Science and Technology Research Institute. For information, Applied Science and Technology Research Institute is the largest government-funded R&D center in Hong Kong. And from day one, our goal was pretty ambitious: to fix the problem that traditional Wi-Fi just couldn't handle, especially the tough industrial environment. Our breakthrough comes from space technology. Just think about how NASA communicate with their rover on Mars. And this question inspired us to develop our patented Altai Super Wi-Fi antenna system, which is designed to deliver strong, reliable Wi-Fi signal even in a place full of interference. And the facts show that it works. Today, we are deployed in over 100 countries and trusted by partners and diversified industry like container ports, logistic warehouse, oil and gas, and manufacturing. And many of our systems have been running flawlessly for over a decade. Before Altai Super Wi-Fi, if you have ever tried to set up Wi-Fi infrastructure in a place like warehouse or a container port, you may know the challenge. The coverage is spotty, and you need a tons of access point to cover a whole container port and whole warehouse. However, when there is ton of access point, the maintenance will be nightmare. And moreover, everything in the area, like metal, concrete, will interfere the Wi-Fi signal and result in poor connectivity. So this pinpoint are the gap we step into fill. So what makes our Super Wi-Fi so different? Altai Super Wi-Fi has several key benefits. The first one is the most important one. Altai Super Wi-Fi can cover up to 1.7 kilometers. And it means that the total amount of access point can be reduced. When the coverage extends, more overlapping coverage will appear, and it leads our always connected feature is possible to execute. Our dedicated Altai CPE are able to select the best signal of access point with around 10 millisecond handover time. In result, Altai Super Wi-Fi provides zero downtime in mission-critical operations. Our solution is built with cybersecurity in mind to give you full visibility over all your connected devices. And with all these benefits, Altai Super Wi-Fi can lower the CapEx and OpEx by saving up 30% of total cost of ownership. Our Super Wi-Fi technology have tackled all the usual challenge, like interference, harsh environment, even the cybersecurity risks. So our customer don't have to deal with the challenge because we have already done it for you. Fast forward today, just like what I mentioned before, we are proud to be supporting our customer in over 100 countries across 6 continents. And thank you for the trust from our partners. So what next? We have come a long way from Altai 1.0. At this first stage, we come up with the first 8x8 MIMO smart antenna technology. At Altai 2.0, we have Altai Care, a cloud-based controller with zero-touch provisioning. After that, always connected and cybersecurity appear to keep you always online safely. And now we are going to step into Altai 4.0, our vision for an autonomous and AI-driven network. Our product management manager, Lawrence, will give you more information later on. Now we aim at a bigger market. With the new product we are going to present today, Altai is already geared up to capture over 40 billion enterprise and industrial Wi-Fi market. So this is the quick look for who we are and who we are doing. And now let me pass the time to Lawrence and Taylor to talk about our new product. Lawrence, please.
Okay, thank you, Michael, for introducing Altai to you guys. So I'm going to quickly walk you through our product lines. As you can see, we have a comprehensive product line covering all markets, from macro, micro to pico coverage products as well. So in this webinar, we are going to introduce you to our new products, which are namely the A660 series, the C220 series, the M360, and also the I760. And besides access point products, our solutions will also cover a whole range of network management product line, including the Altai Care Mini, the Insights Network Planner, and also enterprise switches as well. So going to the AI era, let me brief you how Altai envisions AI. So as you can see, the Altai AI is our next generation network management solution. Our AI engine regularly gathers information collected from our access points. The information is used to optimize the network and enhance client experience continuously by changing various parameters of the access points. Eventually, there will be a 24/7/365 Altai AI IT engineer to constantly monitor your network anytime. There are a few major features with the AI, namely the expert virtual assistant, preventive maintenance, root cause analysis, and wireless optimization. The following snapshots tells what you can benefit from Altai AI Assistant. The AI prediction helps to analyze network traffic and predicts if there's any traffic anomaly. The log analysis will find out from the system blocks that requires further attention or further action. And the AI will also dynamically select the best possible Wi-Fi link for each device connection, balance the network load amount of a group of access points, leverage radio resource better, and prevent sticky client issue. So I'm now going to introduce Altai's new products and how they can be deployed in various application scenarios to provide you guys a total solution. The first one is the A660 series outdoor Wi-Fi mesh AP. It is designed for flexible and expandable deployments. With its dual 5 GHz radio, it can form a mesh network to extend coverage without bandwidth degradation. The A660S comes with a patented high-gain integrated antenna that allows it to cover up to 600 meters. The A660X supports external antenna, hence allowing a flexible choice of antenna to cater for challenging deployment scenarios. The A660 series is also an ideal solution for long-range wireless bridge applications up to 5 kilometers. Built to withstand outdoor harsh environments, the A660 series are weatherproofed at IP67. They can also be managed by Altai's network management solution, known as the Altai Care and Altai Gate. So let me walk you through what are the benefits of Altai Mesh. Auto-provisioning. Devices can automatically discover each other and configure themselves to create a seamless network. Self-healing. When a node fails or becomes unreachable, the network can automatically reroute data through alternative paths, maintaining connectivity. Adaptive path selection. The remote node can communicate to find the best path in the network. Any changes in the environment will be adapted to find the shortest path back to the infrastructure. And last but not the least, the multi-hop. Multi-hop nodes communicate with each other to extend network coverage and improve reliability. So I will going to pass the time to Taylor, who will walk you through applications scenarios where we can deploy our A660 series.
Thanks, Lawrence, for walking us through the key benefits of the A660. Now let's take a look at how we can put the A660 series product in a real-world scenario. Here's a mining site where we have several critical systems relying on a robust and reliable wireless network to send real-time data from heavy machines or equipment back to the control center. These applications include dispatch systems, telemetry, video monitoring, and voice communications. However, there are two major challenges we always encounter at mining sites. First, the terrain is complex and uneven, which makes it difficult for traditional access points to provide a broad and consistent coverage. And second, we see that the power availability is often limited. In an open pit mine, it's simply not practical to run power cables across such an open and rugged area. So this is where our A660 series mesh access point come in. With the A660, we can build a flexible wireless mesh network that doesn't depend on fixed cabling. And the mesh network includes a root node, which is typically placed on towers or buildings at the edge of the site. And we have trial nodes on the remote ends to connect with each other and create a mesh network automatically. So this setup lets us extend coverage into deep and low areas where the signal usually doesn't reach. For heavy vehicles or machines such as trucks, bulldozers, or drilling rods, we can install a A660 as a mesh node so we can enable machine-to-machine or vehicle-to-vehicle communications so that they can stay connected as they move around the site. And this way, we can maintain real-time communication and data flow. On the back end, we use PoE switches to provide power and connectivity for our access points. If the switch is deployed in the field, we recommend using the MIS series, our industrial switches. If it's placed in our data center, we can utilize our brand new switch series called MES. The switch is designed for enterprise networks, and later on, Lawrence will provide you with more information about it. And also, this type of network is usually a closed system. So we recommend using AltaGate 210 wireless LAN controller for centralized management. And it allows you to monitor and manage the entire network from one place. And we believe with this mesh network, we provide a more reliable and always on connectivity for mining operations. Now I pass it back to Lawrence to provide you with a competitive analysis.
Okay, thank you, Taylor, for explaining about how we can deploy our AP to the mining applications scenarios. So let's dive a little bit into the competitive analysis of the A660 series. It has the best-in-class performance and pricing, and its tri-radio design offers superior performance in terms of coverage, maximum data rate, and number of concurrent users. By combining our full line of solution, including Altai Mesh, industrial and enterprise switches, and also network management solution, we offer the best choice for challenging environments, such as mining applications, as Taylor has mentioned. So the next one I'm going to introduce is the M360X Industrial Dual Band Wi-Fi 6 CPE AP. It is specifically designed to meet the growing industrial automation and digitalization. It extends the Wi-Fi coverage up to 300 meters. With a rugged and small 360X is integrated into various robotic systems seamlessly, such as AGV. With Altai's always connected technology enabled, the M360X ensures seamless roaming and low latency wireless connectivity, and also providing a multi-link redundancy. It also supports serial interface, allowing I/O controllers and devices such as PLC sensors to communicate through the WLAN. The M360X also supports industrial protocol such as Profinet. Another benefit of M360X is that it supports a flexible power option, including PoE or DC power. So I'm going to pass the time to Taylor, who will walk you through applications scenarios that we can deploy the M360X.
Thanks, Lawrence. Here is the ASRS system, automated storage and retrieval systems, which we commonly see in warehouse and logistics industry. In recent years, we have seen a significant demand for high performance, low latency wireless connectivity in this sector, especially as more warehouses and logistics centers move toward full automation. And many of these facilities rely on systems like AGVs, automated guided vehicles, and ASRS to streamline their operations. Now look at this ASRS setup. It typically includes storage racks, stacker cranes, shuttles, and conveyors that work together to move goods quickly and efficiently. And the shuttles can travel at speeds of 2 to 4 meters per second, navigating through tight spaces packed with metal structures, and this creates a challenging environment for wireless coverage, especially when devices are constantly moving and switching connections. And so that's where our Super Wi-Fi solution comes into play. To address this, we can deploy the AX600S as the access point, placed around the perimeter of the area to provide main coverage. Then we can mount the M360X on each stacker crane as a client device. What's great about the M360X is that its compact size is roughly the size of a palm, which makes it easy to install on stacker cranes or even smaller AGVs. It also supports DC power input, allowing it to draw power directly from AGV without an additional PoE injector or switch. On top of that, the M360X is equipped with dual radios, which allows us to enable redundant wireless link. So when the cranes move through the warehouse, they can still maintain continuous connectivity, and that ensures a stable, uninterrupted operations even in a complex, fast-moving environment. On the back end, we use our PoE switches, either the industrial MIS series or the enterprise-grade MES series, depending on the environment and requirements. As for the wireless LAN controller, we can use Altai 210 to manage the entire wireless network. So to keep it short, our M360X can be used in fast-moving automation systems or robots. We have many field-proven cases, especially in China. We have deployed our solution in over 50% of our warehouses for e-commerce. The results show us that the M360X can handle roaming very well, and the latency can be controlled between 10 and 80 milliseconds, which is sufficient for such a mission-critical application. Now I'll pass it back to Lawrence to continue with our product introduction.
Thank you, Taylor. So let's dive into the competitive analysis of the M360X. It offers a best-in-class in terms of price and performance. One of the key benefits is fast roaming time. As Taylor has mentioned, it can be down to 10 milliseconds, depending on the environment. Its high-performance 5 GHz radio design enables it to achieve very high transmission data rate. And this is crucial for deployment that integrates devices such as LiDAR cameras, which demand high throughput. The M360X is well suited for these applications where low latency and redundant link is critical. And as Taylor mentioned, we have offered a total solution, including not only the M360X, but also a series of industrial and enterprise switches, the Altai 210 network controller, offering a complete solution for your need. With the proven success in industrial applications and best-in-class performance and pricing, Altai is ready to extend from industrial solution to enterprise solution. By enhancing the user friendliness, we carry our core strength to the enterprise solution, and also by providing indoor and outdoor network under the same management platform. We are ready for extension to enterprise solutions by offering enterprise switches, free WLAN management solution called the Insights, which I will introduce in a moment. With our best-in-class performance and pricing, we are the de facto choice for various enterprise applications. So the next one I'm going to introduce is the C260 series. It is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 access point. The C260 is the next generation of Altai's best-selling product, the C1N, which we sold thousands and thousands of units. It is our hero product for both indoor and outdoor. To heritage that, carrying on, we offer the C260 for both indoor-outdoor applications, and because of its patent high-gain integrated antenna, we offer a bridge link up to 1 kilometer. So we're aiming to success and get it even better with the C260. Equipped with the C260S can cover with up to 600 meters, equipped with the high-gain integrated antenna, while the C260X supports external antenna that offer the flexibility to attach a wide range of antenna, catering to diverse coverage requirements and environmental conditions. Its weatherproof enclosure design makes it suitable for indoor-outdoor applications as well. The C260 series can also be managed by Altai's network management solution, the Altai Care, Altai Gate, and Insights. So let me pass the time to Taylor, who will walk you through application of this C260 series.
Well, as Lawrence just explained, the C260 is versatile and cost-effective. And because of these strengths, we see a great opportunity to tap into a new market, which is village Wi-Fi. In the past, building networks in remote areas require fiber cabling, wired infrastructures, or even traditional satellite connections, all of which were costly and difficult to scale. But today, with the growing adoption of low Earth orbit satellite services like Starlink, the capital cost has dropped significantly and making rural connectivity more achievable than ever. And this trend opens up new possibilities for us to bring internet access to areas that were out of reach previously. And from the photo on the right side, you can see one of our successful deployments. We have used our C260S together with Starlink as the satellite backhaul. And this creates a cost-effective solution for delivering village Wi-Fi. It enables services like e-commerce, online education, or digital payments, all of which help local communities and businesses to grow. The C260S not just works as an access point, but also as a client device. For example, on the left side, we use our AX600S to provide last mile coverage. On the remote end, we put C260S to connect with the network. And this way, we can bring internet access to remote homes and edge devices like CCTV cameras. On the back end, we generally have a couple of options for wireless LAN controller. That depends on the network scale. For small network scale, we can consider Insights platform. It's a free cloud management platform. Or alternatively, we can use AltaGate 210 or 510 to integrate with any third-party server or systems. So with this kind of setup, we are able to offer flexible and affordable wireless solutions, even in remote areas where the traditional infrastructure is not feasible to achieve. Now I hand it back to Lawrence to continue.
Thank you, Taylor. So let's take a quick look to the competitive analysis of the C260 series. It offers the best-in-class performance and pricing solution. And on top of that, the C260 series offers a network management solution such as the Altai Gate and also the free Insights. We will talk about Insights in a moment. As Taylor has mentioned, by combining the Starlink with C260 on the remote area, and we can extend our Wi-Fi solutions where we cannot reach before. On the infrastructure side, we have our solutions, the AX600, the network management solutions. So in that case, we are offering a complete solution to bridge from the infrastructure up down to the remote area. The next one I'm going to walk you through is the Altai i760 Enterprise Indoor Access Point. As you may know, we have IX600 already, and we are adding more indoor APs for different scenarios. The i760 offers best price performance solutions for applications that require both good coverage and high data rate traffic. It employs 4x4 MU-MIMO technology and supporting up to 512 clients, thus making it an excellent choice for high-density usage. Its multi-gigabit connectivity ensures full wireless capacities can be delivered to the backend networks. In terms of coverage, the i70 can reach up to 380 meters, making it an ideal solution for wide coverage applications. The i760 can also be managed by Altai's free cloud-based network management known as the Insights. Last but not the least, the i760 supports BLE, and it can also be used as IoT radio. So Taylor will walk you through how we can deploy the i70 in different application scenarios.
Thank you, Lawrence. Here is the scenario I'd like to share. There is a hospitality sector. This is not a new market for us, but in the past, our main focus was on outdoor coverage. From time to time, we have heard from many partners like you asking, hey, do you have any more indoor options for access points? Do you have any switch models for office networks? Obviously, we didn't have such much options for this. So it turns out there are always two separate networks, one for indoor using other brands and one for outdoor using ours. So that makes our overall management more complex. Now we have listened to your feedback, and this year we have introduced more indoor APs and switches, so you can build a more unified solution with just a single brand and single platform to manage both indoor and outdoor networks. Now, let's explore the indoor area. For large indoor spaces like lobbies, convention rooms, restaurants, or ballrooms, we recommend using i760 access point. The i760 can be mounted on either walls or ceilings, depending on the layout. It supports high gain antenna and 4x4 MIMO architecture, so it can deliver strong and consistent coverage, and it can handle high user density environments as well. For hallways and guest room corridors, the C260 is a great fit. It comes with a directional antenna, and you can mount it on walls or end of the hallway, so it can better cover several rooms in a row efficiently. For outdoor or semi-outdoor areas like balconies or open corridors, we can also use C260 because the housing is IP55 rated. On the back end, we use our MES series PoE switches to power the APs. And for the network management, we recommend Altai Mini. It is a new hardware wireless LAN controller that allows you to have a quick network setup. And Lawrence will elaborate more on this later. And one more thing to highlight is that our wireless LAN controller includes a built-in captive portal with ready-to-use templates, making it easy to use and easy for you to set up guest Wi-Fi access. So with this solution, we are offering easy to manage guest Wi-Fi network and to make your operation simpler at the same time. Now I hand it back to Lawrence to continue.
Thank you, Taylor. So let's dive a little bit into the competitive analysis of the i760. As you can see, the i760 has the best in class in terms of pricing and performance. It delivers up to 5.3 gigabits data rate and up to 512 concurrent users, making it the top choice for high user density applications that require both coverage and high data rate. On top of that, the i760 can also be managed by our free network management solution called the Insights. As Taylor has mentioned, the i760 is just a single AP, but we offer a total solution from MBS enterprise switches the Altai Care Mini WLAN controller, and also IX600 and C260 access points. Thus, we provide a total solution covering indoor-outdoor networks and also from the AP back to the network infrastructure. So Altai's product line includes not just access points, but also other products to deliver a suite of solutions. Here we introduce Altai's enterprise switch products, which support all Altai's access point products. The switch series offer multi-gigabit connectivity. The full portfolio of enterprise switches is suitable for SME to industrial applications. So the enterprise switches is a new lineup, and we already have industrial switch series called the MIS series. With the switches product series, we're going to bundle with our solution so as to increase the order amount of the total solution with our access point products. So this is a quick overview of Altai's enterprise switches. As you can see, the portfolio offers a cost-competitive products, and it covers a full range from basic 7-port up to 30-port models. The multi-gigabit connectivity can meet the growing demand for high-speed Ethernet, sorry. And some models can be managed by Altai Gate or Altai Care on premise, allowing seamless integration of Altai's access point to network management. Lastly, there are PoE switches. Thus, they are able to deliver both data connectivity and power over Ethernet to devices, including access points, IP cameras. Here, I will introduce our Altai Care Mini. It is a WLAN controller designed to simplify the deployment, operation, and maintenance of your Wi-Fi infrastructure with basic IT knowledge. The Altai Care Mini is a hardware controller on premise, and it is well suited for management solution up to 100 access points, where the internet connection may not be very stable. The Altai Care Mini offers centralized visibility and control over the APs and user access on a single pane. There are some features of the Altai Care Mini, including robust security for enterprise network, which ensures secure access authentications such as WPA3. The Altai Care Mini allows highly customizable captive portal with stylish templates which fits to customers' needs. And last but not the least, the Altai Care Mini also features AP auto discovery and zero-touch provisioning. As mentioned before, the Altai Care Mini supports all Altai access point models and manages up to 100 APs. So while Altai Care Mini is a physical on-premise WLAN controller, we also offer a cloud management solution called the Insights. The Insights platform is designed to be end-user oriented, offering a streamlined self-service account registration process with online learning tools, allowing for quick and efficient network rollouts while saving time and effort. What makes the Insights even more appealing is that it is free of charge. Can manage up to 50 access points per organization after registration. The Insights supports Altai access point models, including the C220 series, the I760, IX600, and CX600. The Insights built on a serverless cloud architecture for high resilience and scalability. It's providing you with an uninterrupted service anytime. So other than Insights, which is a free network management solution, we are also offering another tool called the Altai Network Planner, which is a free tool for you to help you to win more projects. The Altai Network Planner allows users to design networks with ease, with signal coverage simulation and practical deployment strategies. The Altai Network Planner offers both indoor and outdoor models, allowing network designers to visualize how signals propagate in various environments. Additionally, we'll address outdoor building and obstruction emulation to ensure accurate planning as well. The outcome of the network design can be visualized at a glance. This allows for seamless image and Google Map integration, which enhances our planning process. We can also model the direction of Altai access points and antennas to optimize coverage and improve performance. Our Altai Network Planner design process, including support for Bill of Materials or BOM export, making it easy to move from conceptual design to practical implementation. So this is a snapshot of the Altai Network Planner, from which you can see that it offers a wide range of Altai access point and antenna models to choose from. Multiple AP scenarios can be emulated, and the result is a heat map showing signal strength over the area concerned. Access point configuration, such as direction, altitude, tilting angle, etc., can also be easily modified. So I hope you all enjoying these exciting Altai products.
Okay, thank you, Lawrence and Taylor, for providing us with such informative updates. And I believe all of you have a better understanding on the next chapter of Altai after the sharing by my colleagues. And here's come to the final section. If you have any question, please leave your question in the chat box.
So Taylor, may I have a question to you? So
Yes, Lawrence.
yes, you have shown us brilliant examples of employing our Altai solutions to cater for different applications. So I would be appreciated if you have some more to elaborate so that we can have a better picture of how we can use our products, let's say the access points management solutions, to cater for more different kind of scenarios, whatever you can think of.
Okay.
Thank you, Taylor.
So just now I just show you some of the scenarios, but actually we are much more of that. Not, for example, I just show you a case for the open pit mining, but it's not just that. I mean for demo the our mesh network and demo how it operates, but it's not just for the open pit mining. It also for construction sites because we have a lot of projects regarding is about the construction sites running in Hong Kong here. They require a robust and reliable network to connect with their IoT devices. Say, for example, CCTVs, smartwatches, and helmets. All of them require a stable Wi-Fi connectivity. And I think if we put our mesh Wi-Fi access point in there, we are pretty sure we can provide a strong and reliable coverage for their usage, because in construction sites, safety is a first top priority. Yeah, there is much more possibility for our mesh access point to deploy. Yeah, not just construction site or mining, maybe in other areas.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you very much, Taylor.
Okay, we got some question here in the chat box. For the first question, where can we download the Altai Network Planner?
Okay, let me take the question then. That is a very good question. Right now, it's actually in our beta version. It's under our internal testing, but we believe the planner will be available very soon. Okay, and as Lawrence mentioned before, it's a completely free tool, so you can try it out later. Yeah. So just keep it. Just stay tuned with us. We will give you more updates on this. Oh, okay. One more thing, the tool is a cloud-based version, so you do not need to download anything to your local computer.
Okay, thank you, Taylor. And here is the second question. And is there any how we can use or log into Altai Cloud AP management for testing? I mean, do we have any trial for the potential customer? I guess.
So again, typical response. This is a very good question. Okay, but for it really depends on which Altai Care or which network management cloud-based solution you're looking at. So for the insight is already available online. You can go through our website to click on the link and you can self-register already for testing. So for the other cloud-based versions, please consult our sales team. We can provide a demo account for you guys to test.
Okay, thank you, Ken. And here comes the third question. And why not all WLAN controller is decided for 20 to 50 APs?
So, okay, again, this is another very good question, guys. I love these questions. So basically, I'm not sure if I interpret your question correctly. So our controller for the new Altai Care Mini, it can actually manage up to 100. So it's in between even 20 to 50 access point is good enough. And so for the Altai Care Mini controller, it actually includes 50 access point license already in the pricing. So I'm not sure if I answered this question correctly, but then if you have any further question, please consult with our sales engineer or our sales.
Okay, and there is another question. Do we have wall mount AP or room AP? I think I can answer it because yes, I know what we have. But for the detail, I want to pass to.
Yeah, to recap, what I mean is the i6760, the C260, and also the i600 that I've mentioned. They can all be mounted on the wall or on the ceiling.
Okay, thank you, Lawrence. Oh, another question is.
Wait. So for the Lawrence questions, I think the person who asked, they're talking about I believe it's the in-room access points. So we do not yet have the in-wall wall plate mounted access point yet. But do let us know because we are here to open our ears to listen to what you guys need and request. So do share with us your requirements to our sales or sales engineer. Thank you.
And another question, can you please share these slides? Yes, sure. And please, for the recording and the slides, you can consult with our local partner and the local sales team. Okay, we have another question about, can we use Insight? Is it available?
Yes, so referring back to my response, Insight is available and you can access our Insights registration page through our website. So feel free to do so. But if you have any questions, again, our sales engineers and our TPS teams are here to support you guys.
Is the new AI feature available on all APs? Is this currently available for use?
So let me answer this question again. The right now the AI engine or what's so-called the AI assistants or AI brain is being in the beta phase. So it will be when we launch it, it will be available for all access points. So the architecture itself, it will be in the cloud-based, this AI Altai engine. So it will be connecting to all through our access point to our controller or our cloud-based network management systems, so that all the data of the management and the data APs will be have access to the Altai AI engine.
Right here is a question about i760. When will the i760 indoor model will be available on market?
Okay, sorry, for the AI engine or the Altai AI, it will be available very soon. Okay, we will please stay tuned and we will announce the launch of this new technologies. And then referring to the i760 indoor model, when will be available? So I will direct this question to Lawrence.
Thank you, Ken. The i760 will be available in Q3 this year.
So to be more precise, as I will tell you, it will be available very soon, as soon as in July. So you guys can make the pre-order to us, to ourselves. We will have it available as soon as possible.
Okay, are we planning to meet with a hospitality integration, like integrating our Altai Gate with
Fidelio.
and other PMS?
So for this particular questions, please do share with us more details. Yes, I will tell you that we have integrate to different third parties solutions. But in terms of Fidelios and PMS, do let us know more details. We definitely will consider it as soon as you guys provide us more of these inquiries.
Is there any proper solution in our wireless?
The probing solution.
Sorry.
So so for this particular questions, I will
Hi.
pass it to Taylor.
Okay, I'm guessing he is asking if we have any solution for say for example to collect packets from the wireless, so we can do any something and analytics like for the marketing purposes. So as Ken said before, if I'm guess And this requires some integration. Maybe you can share more details with us, and we can study it, and we will provide you a more concrete answer for you. Yeah.
So on top of what Taylor has said, and also echo to what I said, we have done different integrations with third parties. And in fact, we have APIs library available to be connected to third-party solutions as well. So again, we're open to listen to you. Do let us know your requests.
Since we are moving forward
So
from
Michael, you receive another questions?
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Since we are moving forward from the other area, we will really cut about A8N and AX600, etc., to enterprise air. We would like to know the main differences about the competitor who are a long tracking record in the mesh technology like Aruba, Rajan, and Cisco, rather than price. And we need you
Cisco.
guys to share the detailed comparison sheet versus the main player so we can know where we are standing actually.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's a very, very good request. Sharif, yes, we will ask Hamid to share with you more details. This is a good request. So our team, because of the time of the presentations, so we do not have the full detail of the comparison, especially what you mentioned about Cisco and Rajan. We understand they also have a different type of mesh technology as well. So please talk to our sales team, and then we can provide you these materials shortly. So, Michael, do we have any more questions?
I guess no, but for everyone have a further information, you can contact us by the following emails or showed on the PowerPoint. And I think Ken have something to say. Let me pass the time to Ken.
So again, hope you guys enjoyed the next chapter of Altai and enjoying this presentation from my hardworking teammates. Again, Altai is here and is always open to listen to what our partner needs and what our partner's end user needs as well. And here we are achieving the win-win solutions for everyone and for every of our partners. And today we have go into the next chapters with all our new products. So I hope in the near futures we can win more cases together other than our existing projects. So stay tuned, please stay tuned, because we will have more exciting news and more new advanced features up and coming as well, other than what was presented. Again, thank you everyone and have a good day. And this is the end of the presentations. Thank you very much.
Thank you.